All right, so we're heading back to the property to check it out. It's been about a week since we were last there filming the start of this project. What I've been told that has been completed now is all of the demolition and the framing is all complete. So we've framed in a new bathroom because we're going to add a new bathroom, as we discussed. This is going to help dramatically improve the value of the home. And so I'm on my way there right now to meet with the plumber, electrician, and the individual who's going to help us install the tile. We're having a meeting with all three of us, which is trying to be as productive as I can with my time by meeting as many people at one shot as possible so I don't have to keep coming back. Typically, I will visit a renovation about once a week to once every 10 days in the beginning of the project, just to make sure everyone's clear on what we're going to be doing throughout the project. And then I'd probably visit the property maybe, I don't know, once a month, once every 3 weeks. Thereafter, it's not necessary for me to get there every day or every week. At that point, once we've got the plans laid out, then basically it's just it just goes on to autopilot. So I'm gonna hit pause for now, and I will start recording once we get back to the house, or once we get to the project. All right, I'll talk to you soon. All right, so let's take a peek. We are back here at the property. Let's get some lights on. Maybe we don't have power. I'm not sure. Okay, it doesn't look like we have power. Okay, so it's a little dark. But the first thing that I notice is obviously this wall's gone that we talked about in the first video. And we have framed the support beam to open up the wall over here as well. So let's come on in, turn this around. So we have opened. It looks like more of this wall still needs to be opened. I think. I'm not sure. I kind of think that somebody drew this line on the wall, maybe sharing where it needs to be opened. So maybe it's not opened all the way. But that's probably what's happening. Is that's probably a temporary post to support this beam that goes across, which of course leads to this beam here. Then probably what's going to happen is it's going to get opened up to here, and then after it's opened up to there, then they'll build another beam right here, and then this one will be able to be removed. That is what I'm guessing, but I could be wrong. Maybe they thought they were going to open it up to here and came to the conclusion it was best for whatever reason to only go to there, which I'm totally fine with. Of course, I think we did discuss opening the wall. I think we discussed opening it to about here, but I also left it to them, to their best discretion, as they started opening up the wall to do whatever they felt was best. So I'm not sure how far this wall is actually going to go. Maybe it's to here, maybe it's to there. But that's the first thing I noticed. Second thing, obviously, is how much cooler this kitchen's going to be with the wall opened up and being all open to the rest of the family room. So, got a built-in temporary handrail so that nobody falls off the edge down the stairs. We're going to obviously, so what we're going to do, obviously the staircase will be protected from anyone falling, but there'll be an island. Let me kind of come over here in this corner. So right here at the edge will be an island that'll come up and stick out, of course, an island countertop. And so that'll be right up against the edge so that no one will fall down. Of course, we're going to get a new handrail that goes on this side and a new handrail to replace that white handrail. So this is looking really cool. Oh, wow. Okay, so the next thing I notice is the new doorways have been cut into the new master. I don't know if you remember, but this was a hallway. You would walk into this space and then actually turn right here. This 2x4 was actually the old doorway. And we're framing that closed now so that it's no longer a doorway, so we had to create a new doorway, which is right here. And the reason why is that hallway is now becoming the new location for the new bathroom. So that there'll be a bathroom right here for everybody else. And then the bathroom, you can see the bathtub over there. The existing bathroom, which you entered through this hallway, is now going to be a master suite bathroom. The only way to access it will be through the bedroom. So let's take a peek. This doorway was not here before, right? We just cut that hole in right there. And so let's come in here. I'm walking into the new master bedroom. And here is the new doorway into the master suite, which is going to be amazing. Framed the hallway shut. This was the hallway. We framed that shut to separate this bathroom from that bathroom. And now, this is what I'm talking about when you add a master suite in the Olympus Cove community to your home and another bathroom. That's where you really start to add good value, increase the value of your house. So this is this move right here for this particular neighborhood is going to be a good investment by adding this second bathroom. So now we're looking in the master bathroom. We're going to go out into the hallway. Again, this was the old doorway to come into this bedroom, but this has now been cut open. And now we're coming into what was once the old hallway, but going to be the new location. How cool is this? For the new bathroom. Kind of the bathroom to the public, your guests as they visit, because again, that bathroom is going to be the master suite. And then, of course, this was the hallway that went into that bathroom, or excuse me, that bedroom as well. But since we're closing off that wall to make this space a bathroom, we had to create a new doorway to access that bedroom, which is right there. So that's the new entrance for the doorway, or excuse me, that's the new entrance for the bedroom. This is the entrance. This was an existing entrance, but the new entrance to the new bathroom. And that's the new entrance to the master bedroom, which of course we already talked about how this is going to be closed off. This was the old entrance to the master. Of course, that's closed off. That's closed off. The hallway's been closed off. So now we'll have our own second bathroom here and then another bathroom there in the master suite. So that is pretty much what those are the things that have happened, which is pretty cool. Okay, there's the bedroom, just kind of taking a peek inside. But a lot has been completed over the last week. All of the demo, which was basically removing the entire kitchen. And the other demo was removing this bathroom, gutting it because we're going to do an all new bathroom. The bathtub's still there, but we're actually getting rid of it. We're going to have a new bathtub installed. So bathroom, hallway, all have been demoed. Kitchen's been demoed. And of course, framing has been done to support the removal of the wall. And of course, framing of the bedrooms. So that's it. Lots have been done over the last week. Nothing has been completed downstairs, so we won't even bother going down there. But that is the update for the latest on this project. Sorry, I just realized one more thing. We removed all of this rock right here on the fireplace up here because we're going to actually get this all hardwired for a new smart television, which will go over the mantle and over the fireplace. So that was also demoed as well. Having said that, we're actually now leaning towards removing the fireplace completely and either closing it off or installing a gas fireplace. We went back and forth on what we were going to do based off of just time on how soon we wanted to get this renovation completed. We had contemplated leaving the fireplace, but doing a nice hookup up there for your entertainment system. But because that was going to be quicker than removing everything and now adding more to the project. But we decided, after going back and forth, even though it's going to be quicker, to do less, the less you do, obviously the faster it is, it's going to be better. It's just going to be better. So we're actually now going to remove the entire fireplace, but it was kind of cool because what we wanted to do was see what it looked like. First of all, with that removed, you know, this fireplace went all the way, this rock went all the way to the ceiling, which wasn't that appealing. And this honestly is dated still, but we still wanted to remove it anyway. So just wanted to show you guys that, and we'll see you on the next video.